is wrong with you?
I don't know. How you feel, Tom? Who did it to you? You doing flips?
What happened? Tava said you was camera.
Yeah, right. Mm-hmm. How you feel, Tom? What's wrong with you? Who hit you?
You.
Tanisha was over there. I didn't touch you.
No, I wasn't.
Does your eyes burn?
Yes.
Put some alcohol in it. Maybe.
No.
It helps me feel better. It'll melt them.
Turn back off the lights. It's a deadly moment.
Wait, let me finish.